Squash and stretch. Okay, so one of the 12 principles of animation is squash and stretch. Basically, it's when an object gets longer or flatter. This describes its momentum, speed, mass, and weight. This seems surreal at the start, but when you compare these two bouncing balls, I'm pretty sure you can see the difference. One looks like a basketball, and the other like a hard metal ball. From this demonstration, you can see that this principle alone describes a lot about the object. But you shouldn't apply it just to collisions, but also stuff like, the human body. When Superman is jumping, he squashes at the start and then stretches when he flies. The first thing you should do is try out squash and stretch with squares. Note that every time you squash something, you must make it retain its original volume, therefore stretching it, and vice versa. When you feel confident with squares, you can try with 3D objects. Squash and stretch is very important in animations, and it can make a huge impact in your animation and who is watching it.